Guys, I'm not doing so good. Am I the only one down here? Oh, what the hell is going on? I'm gonna die now. I can get a kill. What the hell happened? Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today on this video, we're gonna put wireless versus wired to the test on the PlayStation 4 and finally see which one is better and faster to game on. Let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I enjoy doing how-to guides and live streaming on this channel. Now, to the average person, they would think that wired versus wireless would be about the same result in terms of the download speeds. Let's go ahead and test this out by downloading Towerfall Ascension on my PlayStation 4 with first wireless and then with my wired connection. So I deleted Towerfall Ascension off my PlayStation 4 and I'm going to go ahead and re-download it. Now this application is about 500 to 600 megabytes. Let's go ahead and see how long it takes with my wireless. So Towerfall Ascension is added to my downloads list. And every application on my PlayStation 4 is 100% closed. So that's not going to be taking up bandwidth right here. And nothing else is downloading in the background. And as you see, I am provided a 3-minute estimate for my download. So the download actually took about 3 minutes. And just on a side note, I wanted to say, if you have any applications open in the background, those will throttle your video games downloading in the background. Also, if you're going to be playing any application online, that's also going to throttle your downloads in the background. So I ended up deleting Towerfall Ascension again from my PS4. Let's go ahead and download it with my wired connection. And here is how long it will take with me connected to my PlayStation 4 with an Ethernet cable. I'm looking at about 45 seconds, down from 3 minutes. And I want to point out that my PlayStation is about 5 or 6 inches away from my wireless router. If I'm even further away from that, let's say maybe a floor above or below, and we're going through a wall, that wireless signal is going to get stretched out thinner and thinner and thinner, and your download speeds will be much worse. So what can you do to prevent this? Go out and buy a LAN cable and plug it into your router and then get the other end and plug it back into your PlayStation 4. Your download speeds will be much faster and you won't be lagging nearly as much in your video games. Now before we take off, let's go ahead and look at my actual numbers for my download on my wireless versus my wired. So we are looking at a figure of 36 for my download speed and about 6 for my upload speed for wireless. And for the wired connection, we're looking at a number that's about 93 for the download speed and about 7 for the upload speed. So after seeing this, what do you guys think is better, wired or wireless? And that's the difference between wired and wireless on the PlayStation 4 console. If you are currently using your wireless connection, go out and buy a LAN cable and you will avoid lagging while you're in game and all your downloads will be significantly faster. If you enjoyed my video on wired versus wireless on the PlayStation 4, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.